So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August and it is valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. Cappies. We have the Two of Swords. So someone is right now on the crossroads regarding the future direction of this situation, or there is a lot of confusion going on right now at this present moment maybe. Let me clarify this Two of Swords. Someone is feeling blocked in the situation in some way, shape or form. Let's see. Let's clarify. We have the Three of Wands, the Justice and the Ace of Wands. This is someone who is feeling blocked in the situation and they are waiting for the right time. They are waiting for some kind of justice in this direction to have a brand new beginning in this direction. Now, it could be possible that you blocked them or they blocked you or the situation is blocked because of distance. Well, for whatever reason, this person is feeling like on the crossroads regarding the situation, not able to see the clear picture of the situation, but they are hopeful and positive that you guys are going to have a brand new beginning sooner or later in this situation. Right now there's a lot of confusion going on. Things are quite up in the air, but they are feeling like the universe is going to do justice in the situation and there will be a brand new beginning. Okay, let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies. Eight of Swords. You can't stop thinking negative about the situation, or you are in some kind of mental jail. Whenever you're thinking about this connection or this situation, you are in this energy of what should I do? You can't stop thinking negative about it for some reason. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. Oh God. We have the Three of Swords, the Judgment and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, you're heartbroken. You're trying to mend something with someone. It could be possible that you are trying to come out of a heartbreak and you're connecting with a new person, new energy. You are forgiving and forgetting whatever happened between you and a past person and past energy. And you're heading towards a totally new connection or new relationship. But at the same time, you can't stop thinking negative about past situation or a past relationship that you're leaving behind. Even if you're trying your best to leave something behind, you're not able to do that. I think you have started a new chapter of your life already, a new relationship, a new connection, but at the same time, you're not able to let go of the pain connected with something or someone from your past. And it's kind of disturbing you, bothering you. You are on the healing journey, trying to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, but not able to do that, even if you're trying your hard, your best. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies, let's see. Lovers, okay. Their intention is to have a very beautiful connection with you. The love, the lust, the fire, the passion, the soulmate kind of dynamic. Their intention is really good here. Let me clarify the lovers here. It could be fairly new connection or new relationship that you're dealing with, but both of you might be dealing with past energies as well in some way, shape or form, or at least one of you. Let me clarify the lovers. Death, Four of Cups and Six of Cups. Yes, this person wants to let go of all the confusion, all the pain, everything that is stopping you guys from living the connection to the fullest, and this person wants to have a soulmate kind of dynamic with you, a very beautiful connection with you, a very beautiful and enriching kind of relationship with you. It's like this person thinks like they know you from a past life. You guys have a very beautiful connection. You guys have a very beautiful bonding. So they want to let go of every pain, every confusion, and every kind of upsetting energies out of this situation, out of this connection, and make this connection a very beautiful soulmate kind of dynamic. That's really cool. Yeah, this person wants to be happy in this connection with you, Cappies. Very good. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Seven of Pentacles. You just want to take it really slow. I think you just want to remain practical in the situation. Take it slow and steady. You just want to wait and watch and see where things can go in this particular dynamic. You don't want to take it like to the next level just like that. You want to take it slow. Okay. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Swords, the Empress, and the Nine of Swords. Although you're feeling good about it, although you got the clarity about it that this situation can become something really big, this situation can become something really meaningful, and this situation has the potential to become something good in the coming future, but you are stressed out. You are losing your sleep about something, and that is why you just want to take it really very slow, so that you can come out of this anxiety, this stress, and this energy of, okay, maybe it's not going to work out, maybe it's just an illusion, maybe this is also going to fail or something like that. So you want to get out of this maybes, and you want to take it slow and steady, wins the race kind of a deal. Yeah, this is your card only. You don't want to get attached to the situation too hard or too badly, and you want to take your time so that you can move forward slowly but surely and understand this dynamic with time. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 18th of August. What could be the possible outcome? Justice. Okay, some kind of balance is going to be restored. Okay, something painful is going on behind the scenes. I don't know what is going on, but some kind of balance is going to be restored in the situation. Let me clarify the Justice. There is pain inside your heart in some way. I don't know what is bothering you, but something is bothering you on a deep level, and you're trying your best to let it go, but you're not able to do that. Yeah, just give me a second. We have the Hierophant, the Four of Wands, the Two of Cups. Very beautiful. Okay, two energies coming together in a very, very beautiful way. This connection, this relationship has the potential to convert into marriage and a happily ever after kind of a deal. So finally the universe is sending you your happily ever after Capricorn. Don't you're just stressing about it without any reason. Something is coming to your life, someone is coming to your life to stay. This situation, this connection between you and this particular energy has the potential to become something really stable, really beautiful, convert into a marriage, happily ever after kind of a deal, or committed relationship in the coming future. So something is coming together in a very, very beautiful way for you guys, Capricorn. So enjoy it. Don't stress the hell out of it by overthinking, by continuously thinking negative about it. You are creating this overthinking yourself. This is something that's really beautiful. Even if you have some kind of pain in the background, I think this connection is going to heal you. This is a really beautiful situation. This is a really beautiful outcome. So finally the universe is sending you your happily ever after. Wow, this is really good. I'm so happy for you guys. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation. The guidance here, I think, is to don't to mess this up or fuck this up, because you have the tendency to do that. Yeah, the guidance here is there's a difference between love and lust, Capricorn. Try to understand the difference between love and lust, okay? And if you are dealing with this connection purely on the basis of lust, then try to understand that it might convert into something not so good or something toxic in the coming future. Try to understand this person on a deeper level. Try to understand this connection on a deeper level. Stay optimistic and positive that yes, you're on the right track, but at the same time, don't just evaluate this whole situation on the basis of lust only, or physical attraction only, or infatuation only, okay? Because it's going to fade away after some time. So try to understand this person, this situation, this connection on a deeper level. on a deeper understanding, and try to understand that this situation has a very huge potential to become something really really good. But see this situation from your heart's perspective, not from infatuation or attraction or just for the time being kind of perspective. Okay, just don't try to, I think just try to differentiate between love and lust, and then you're on the right track, I think. Yeah, but whatever it is, this situation has a very good potential, because the Hierophant and the Four of Wands together is a very very big deal, and the Two of Cups. So this is a big deal. This is a like match made in heaven kind of a deal coming for you guys. So I'm fucking happy. So God bless you. Bye bye, take care. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye. Namaste.